My name's Preston. I'm the principal of Eidsvold State School, and this is the second year that Alex has been out to do the Didge in a Day program. The first year we had Alex come out and teach our boys from year 6 to 12 how to make a Didge, and we just were so stoked with the program that this year we've extended it to schools from around our region. All of our year 6 boys, or most of our year 6 boys from around the region, have been able to participate in this awesome program and look at it as a transition program from I guess boyhood to manhood, and having a cultural connection to this region as well. Absolutely fantastic. Really, I didn't get enough time up there this time, so but really loved it. Just talked to the teachers that have brought Alex along, and they were just chuffed. But one of the ladies here was like, "Oh, I wish I was a man today." she just really wanted to be part of it. So I guess in the future, like what I would like to see is Alex, I know it's a big trip, but coming up, being part of our community, but also being part of our region, extending out to other schools. We had the Queensland Police Service represented here today through Jeffrey, who's our local police officer, and getting those connections too is so important that as a school we're able to connect with our local community, but also have something that gives us that connection as well. So I think that was really cool.